Home security is a top priority for Glendale residents, and one of the most effective ways to safeguard a home is through strong, professionally installed doors. While many homeowners focus on alarm systems and surveillance cameras, the first line of defense is a secure, well-installed entryway. Professional door installers bring expertise, precision, and high-quality materials to the table, ensuring that a home's security is maximized. The importance of proper door installation. A door is more than just an entry point. It is a crucial barrier that protects against intruders, extreme weather, and energy loss. Poorly installed doors can have gaps, weak frames, or subpar locks, making them easy targets for break-ins. A professional door installer ensures that doors fit securely within their frames, reducing vulnerabilities and increasing resistance to forced entry. Expertise in selecting the right door. One of the key advantages of hiring a professional door installer is their ability to recommend the best door for a home's security needs. There are various types of doors available, including solid wood, fiberglass, and steel, each with its own security benefits. Steel doors offer exceptional durability and resistance to forced entry. Fiberglass doors provide a strong yet stylish option that resists warping and cracking. Solid wood doors offer classic aesthetics with substantial strength when properly reinforced. A professional will assess the home's specific needs and suggest the best option based on security, budget, and aesthetic preferences. Enhanced locking system. A high-security door needs more than just a strong material, it requires a robust locking system. Professional door installers ensure that locks are positioned correctly and securely, preventing easy tampering or break-ins. They often recommend high-security deadbolts, multi-point locking systems, or smart locks that add an extra layer of protection. Additionally, professional installers can reinforce door frames with strike plates and longer screws, making it much harder for intruders to force their way inside. Proper door alignment and frame reinforcement. Even the strongest door is ineffective if it isn't properly aligned. A misaligned door can create weak points where an intruder can apply force. Professional installers make sure the door sits flush with the frame, eliminating gaps and ensuring a tight fit. They also reinforce door frames with high-quality materials, preventing damage from repeated use and potential break-in attempts. Weatherproofing and energy efficiency. Beyond security, professional door installation also enhances a home's energy efficiency. Gaps around doors can lead to drafts, increasing energy bills by allowing conditioned air to escape. Professional installers use high-quality weather stripping and seals to prevent air leaks, helping homeowners save on heating and cooling costs while maintaining indoor comfort. Custom security features. Professional installers can also integrate additional security features tailored to a homeowner's needs. Some common enhancements include peepholes and security cameras for visual monitoring of visitors, reinforced glass panels that resist shattering, door chains and secondary locks for extra layers of security. These features provide added protection while maintaining ease of use for homeowners. Compliance with local building code. A critical but often overlooked aspect of door installation is compliance with local building codes. Glendale has specific regulations regarding residential security measures, and professional installers are well versed in these requirements. They ensure that doors meet safety standards, keeping homeowners compliant with local laws and avoiding potential legal issues in the future. Long-term durability and maintenance. DIY door installation might seem like a cost-saving option, but improper installation can lead to costly repairs down the line. A poorly installed door may develop issues such as sticking, misalignment, or weakened security over time. Professional installers guarantee long-lasting durability by using proper techniques, ensuring homeowners do not have to deal with frequent maintenance or replacements. Conclusion. When it comes to home security in Glendale, a professionally installed door is a crucial investment. Expert installers provide the right materials, proper alignment, and advanced security enhancements that help protect against break-ins. They also improve energy efficiency and ensure compliance with local regulations, making them an invaluable resource for homeowners. By hiring a professional door installer, residents can enjoy greater peace of mind knowing that their homes are secure, durable, and built to last.